Let's talk about Ceva's top 10 tips for heavy cargo logistics operations at the port. 1. Prioritize safety. Detailed and thorough planning to ensure the safety and integrity of cargo and people involved is the single most important part of the logistics process. Let's look at an example. The preparation for the handling of more than 15 units, measuring 27 meters in length and 74 tons, takes approximately 3 weeks. This includes detailed drawings, assessments, and evaluations. 2. Leverage stool and beam for cost savings and safety. Instead of keeping cargo on the trailers at the port until the vessel is ready to load, stool and beams can be used to safely store cargo at the port, avoiding an additional cargo movement, leading to safer operations and cost savings. 3. Consider hiring shuttle trailers to move cargo from stool and beam to the vessel. Instead of having trailers with the cargo resting at the port overnight, hire shuttling trailers. Using multi-axle trailers as opposed to hydraulic trailers to shuttle cargo at the port can easily reduce transport time by 50%. 4. Carefully calculate the space you need at the port ahead of your operations. If you have cargo that needs to be packed in a specific order, you may need to reserve additional space at the port to sort the cargo and pack it properly. This allows for a smooth loading experience. 5. Play it safe. In addition to all the safety assessments and evaluations, we recommend hiring a third-party surveyor to have oversight on the operation and produce an independent report as a QHSE best practice. Both customers and logistics operators can assign independent marine surveyors. 6. Plan for loading time. The time it takes to load cargo depends on the cargo itself, vessel cranes, stowage plan, labor availability, and many other factors. Let's take an example of a 70-ton out-of-gauge cargo operation. If it's loaded onto the lower hull, the operation includes shuttling the cargo from beam and stool to the vessel, and loading onto the vessel can take around 1 hour and 15 minutes. 7. Plan for labor shortages at the port. Shortages in dock workers at ports can be common depending on the port. It's important to be in communication with the port about your plans and needs and provide notice prior to your operations. At Ceva Logistics, we are always providing updates to port authorities in real time to ensure smooth and swift operations. 8. Prepare all aspects of your operation in advance. Make sure you check crane availability and have sufficient capacity to handle the cargo safely. It's important to share cargo details and drawings with the vessel owner ahead of time to prepare a lifting method statement that considers circumstances such as lifting points of cargo, wind speed, center of gravity, and more. 9. Consider the loading times of the vessel. Loading heavy cargo usually happens during daytime hours. However, different vessels and port terminals have different rules on loading times that may even vary depending on the season. Captains and port terminals will decide loading times. 10. Maintain open lines of communication with all stakeholders. The estimated arrival and actual arrival of the vessel can vary. It's important to always ensure smooth collaboration with vessel agents, port authorities, and transporters to plan for loading and shuttling equipment availability on a standby basis. Ceva's responsibility is to ensure that the cargo is at the port shortly before vessel D arrives. Long-term partnerships with vessel carriers, ports, and transportation asset owners provide Ceva with an advantage, resulting in priority to Ceva customers and allowing us to deliver operational excellence.